Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is selecting the Home tab, select where it says New Slide. You can select a generic new slide by selecting the top button here or the Control and M key combination. Or you can click the drop down underneath new slide and you can select a different theme for the new slide that you want to appear. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.